Bicycle Hello Kitty, another Japan exclusives. Katulad nga ni Mark, paborito ng ex.
Bago ni X.
Bago ni X. Akala ko paborito ng ex mo eh. So sa cards, you can see the different custom artwork of Hello Kitty. Ayan, yung mga numbered cards, some of which may artwork. Yung iba, wala. Tulad nung 5, diba? Tapos yung iba, meron siyang custom artwork. For the court cards, yung mga King, Queens, and Jack, syempre, special yung artwork niya in different costumes ni Hello Kitty. As well as other, parang may theme, no? Mimi White, Kitty White, and Daniel Star. So ito yung mga names ng mga characters, no? Ayan. So, colors niya, it's blue and red. Tapos, you also have 4 jokers. Ayan. And for the back design, you have asymmetrical na Hello Kitty all over. And for the box, it's here. Para siyang naka-high. Nagkumakaway, pre. And here is the back of the box. And ito yung custom seal niya na tinanggal lang namin. Yun lang.